What is going on, everybody? Welcome to a brand new video. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Today we got a small little modification. Just picked it up from the GMC dealership, so it is this small. So if you guys can guess what it is, let me know down in the comments below. But other than that, I'll see you guys at home and we'll get this part installed. Peace. I won't keep you guys guessing, but we got new puddle lights. So right here, I'm gonna have to read what side's right, what side's left. And basically when I open the door right now I have puddle lights right there that are just white lights. These, however, have the GMC logo, so I think it's a nice little touch, you know, helped out. I thought I'd show you guys what I'm talking about. So the puddle light right, okay, it's not gonna turn on, but it is right there. So basically kind of exactly what it is. It's a puddle light, so it kind of just illuminates this area so you can see, watch your step before you get in the vehicle. So today we are going to be taking it off, and all we need to do that is this flathead screwdriver. All right, so for this part right here, we're going to stick the flathead straight in through this little gap, and we're going to basically pry this out. And once it's out, we're going to pull it out, and boom. Now we just got to disconnect this cord and plug in the new one. So I thought for this part of the video we go to a little darker spot. You can't really see it, but there you have it. So once it's nighttime, I'll probably get a better clip, but now we just got to do the other side. So I noticed that it's not the brightest in here, or I mean the darkest in here, but they still do show. So there you have it. Let me get that one more time for you guys. Boom. So you unlock the car, car's waiting for you, get in. Kind of like this better than the whole puddle idea, because honestly, wherever I'm at, it's normally lit up, and this is gonna do, you know, what it has to do. And there it is right down there. And that's how it looks on this side. Let me show you guys the other side. So I'm gonna try to block off the light for you guys. There it is. Shows up on camera pretty well, it's down there. But yeah, so we got that done. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. What should we do to this big truck? Other than that, that's all I have for you guys. Hope you guys all have an amazing day. Till next video, peace.